You know go that place.
Take that one now.
Brother,
Say enjoyment.
my bed Naija caught me.
Bet Naija.
I swear.
Sweet.
Brother, oh,
Now this one they call it pankukwa.
brother, you never see. They beat my wife as if she's a criminal. Don't worry. Let's go. Officer, it is all of them. Bundle them and take them to the police station. Beat them very well, officer.
Don't man, don't worry. We are going to deal with all of them. Corporal, let's be. Yes, sir. Position. Sergeant, brain box. Yes, sir. Position. Anybody move? Fire.
Hey, officer in charge. You're working on. Wait, calm down. Get me chair. Get me one chair for officer. Officer himself. So, sir. I try for this one a job. All this rubber one at the Porsche officer. Sit down first. Sit down. Who is there? Who is? You people should sit down. I'm talking to you. Get me the plate of a pankukwa with one special drink for officer in charge. It's not easy. Officer, it's not easy. It's not easy. Get yourself forward. Officer, let me serve you. Officer.
This life I can't keep myself.
Take tango.
I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. Allow me to flex. This life I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. Allow me to flex. Many years me I done the go. Rock the mic, me I rock the show. Many hit songs when I go. Still them go say me another try.
I'm speaking by now.
Kanye West. And speaking mind the people left. Everybody wants to.
You say, what is the problem?
Officer, say you should arrest them. Arrest them for what? For what?
Young man, is this guy disturbing you people? Officer, this guy you're seeing here is our own brother. This is how this guy going everywhere, creating problem everywhere. Officer, if you can handle this guy, please take this guy away.
You don't have to worry. Officer, yes, sir. Arrest him.
Oh my God.
Take him to station.
Officer, I'm going to make you arrest them.
This life I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. Allow me to flex. This life I can't keep myself.